In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 ways to make money, as a teenager. And even if you're not a teenager and you want to make money, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new to my channel, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'm building a community here. I want to know you guys. I want to meet you. What part of the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for always tuning in to watch your girl. Thank you for your consistent love and support. I see you, and I appreciate you all from the depth of my heart. God bless you. And yes, while you guys are introducing yourselves in the comment, like I said, introduce yourselves, leave your trademark in the comments. I want to know you. If you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the first time, my name is Mariam. I am a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a content creator here on YouTube. I drop 3 videos every week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also make sure that you leave your trademark, subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on your notification bells so that you don't miss out each time I drop juicy videos on this channel. So without further ado, guys, come with me, let's go. It's all about making money. It's a money making channel. You know, I'm your business mogul, and I'm here to consistently share with you guys ways to actually make money from the comfort of your home. And like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, you will never be broke again. So guys, come with me, let's go. Who wants to? Don't sleep on it, guys. Don't sleep, wake up. Come with me, guys, let's go. So guys, do you know you can become a mystery shopper? Yes, so mystery shopping actually involves visiting various establishments like stores, restaurants, and businesses to evaluate the quality of customer service and overall shopping experience. As a mystery shopper, you will make a purchase, you will observe the key details and provide a detailed report to the company that has hired you. So numerous companies actually offer opportunities for mystery shopping, which includes well-known platforms like TERN, yes, Market Force, and Mystery Dining. Yes, these companies provide assignments with the potential to earn up to $50 per visit, which makes mystery shopping an attractive option for individuals seeking income without traditional employment. If you want to get started, just sign up with reputable mystery shopping companies and browse available assignments. So once you have been assigned a task, carefully follow the instructions, pay attention to specific aspects, and take thorough notes to ensure an accurate and insightful report. Another way to make money is to start a YouTube channel and monetize your YouTube channel. Yes, just so you know, monetizing your YouTube channel, a YouTube channel presents a fantastic opportunity for teenage creators worldwide to generate income without traditional employment. Yes, with its vast user base and global reach, with over 2 billion users monthly on YouTube, YouTube offers a platform where you can showcase your unique talents and interests to a wide audience, regardless of your location. There are countless niches to explore, like beauty, gaming, lifestyle, tech, cooking, and so much more. YouTube allows you to cater to your passion and expertise. To begin your YouTube journey, all you need is a decent camera. Your phone camera is enough, and basic editing software skills. And then you also create high quality content. And as you build your subscriber base and increase your viewership, you can start earning money through various channels. You can also advertise. There's advertising revenue from YouTube's monetization program, sponsored collaborations with brands, and even merchandise sales. They are all potential income streams for YouTubers. Yes, blogging. Yes, blogging is another incredible way to share your knowledge, your opinions and experiences with a global audience. So regardless of your interests, whether it's travel, fashion, food, or finance, personal finance, you can create a blog centered around your chosen topic. Yes, blogging is another way to make money. And to launch a successful blog, you need reliable hosting and domain name that aligns with your niche. So guys, I highly recommend Bluehost as an affordable and dependable provider for domain names and hosting services. So once your blog is up and running, there are various ways to monetize your content. You can join advertising networks like Google AdSense, which displays relevant ads on your blog and provide you with revenue based on clicks or impressions. Another option is to explore affiliate marketing. Yes, that's another way to make money. So where you earn, affiliate marketing is an avenue where you earn commission by promoting products or services from other companies. In addition to advertisements and affiliate marketing, you also have the opportunity to create and sell your own digital products. It could include ebooks, online courses, or downloadable printables that cater to your audience's needs and interests. Guess what? You can also work as a translator. Yes, so guys, you already know that in our interconnected world, the translation and interpretation industries are experiencing remarkable growth. I'm opening up exciting investment prospects. So if you possess bilingual skills, you have the potential to seize this opportunity and benefit from the escalating demand for language services. Translation services are actually required across various mediums like documents, audio, video, and so much more. Fortunately, a lot of websites have emerged to meet this demand, and they provide platforms for freelance translators to discover lucrative job opportunities. So platforms like Travel Guide offer a convenient way to connect with clients in need of translation services. Additionally, you can consider registering with translation agencies to broaden your scope and increase your potential for success. Yes, you can. Guess what? Another way to make money is to manage social media accounts. So if you possess expertise in social media management, you have the opportunity to offer your valuable services to businesses in need of assistance with their social media marketing efforts, because many companies actually face challenges in maintaining a consistent social media presence, and they are eager to pay for professional support in this area. And as a social media manager, guess what? You can provide a wide range of services, including content creation, post scheduling, and handling message responses on popular platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. To find your potential clients, you may want to reach out to businesses in your industry directly, or leverage freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, where you can showcase your skills and connect with those people that are seeking social media management expertise. Now, in case you're asking, how can a teenager earn passive income? Do you know that you can earn passive income online by leveraging an easy to launch passive income idea that requires little or no capital, like affiliate marketing? Yes, email marketing, and the sale of digital printables. Yes, so in conclusion, there are numerous opportunities for teenagers to make money. Just so you know, guys, the options that I shared in this video allow teenagers to earn income, develop valuable skills, and gain real world experience, all while maintaining flexibility and independence. And with determination, resourcefulness, and a willingness to learn, teenagers can actually embark on a journey of financial empowerment and pave their way to success. Yes, so guys, what are you waiting for? Start to implement one or all of these strategies starting from today. So if I may ask you, let me know in the comments, which of these strategies are you going to start implementing from today? Like I said, I have tried all of these avenues. They are tested and trusted, and this is the reason why I'm sharing with you guys. Of course, I've done all the research for you guys. I've done all the research work. All you need to do right now is to implement starting from today. So let me know, which of them are you starting from today? And if you need me to do a research tailored to your specifications, please let me know right in the comments. And if this video has blessed you, you know what to do. Please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend about this amazing opportunity. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. And just so you know, if anyone is doubting how far you can go, please go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourselves, and bye for now. I love you. Bye, guys.